Next section, role of nurse in mental health care. The role of nurse in mental health care, detail following. First, psychotherapy. Second, health counseling. 3, caregiver. 4, director. 5, designer. 6, coach. 7, health professional. Eight, use nurse-led innovations. 9, generate evidence and engage in research. 10, design nursing education for mental health care. 11, expand the scope of nursing practices. 12, diversity of our workforce. 13, embrace technology. 14, foster interprofessional collaboration. 15, develop leadership at every level. Look at this picture. Circle the process of nursing role: care provider, teacher, leader, team member, communicator, client advocate. Sixteen, nurses pivotal to hospital quality initiatives. 17, quality improvement demand increasing. 18, culture sets stages for quality improvement. 19, challenges specific to nurses involvement in quality improvement. 20, having adequate nursing staff when resources are scarce. 21, engaging nurses at all levels from bedside to management and community level. 22, facing growing demands to participate in more often duplicative quality improvement activities. 23, dealing with the high level of administrative burden associated with these activities. 24, confronting traditional nursing education focus on mental health care that does not always adequately prepare nurses for their evolving role in today's contemporary hospital setting. 25, supportive hospital leadership actually engaged in the work. 26, setting expectation for all staff, not just nurses, that quality is a shared responsibility. 27, holding staff accountable for individual roles. 28, inspiring and using physicians and nurses to champion efforts. 29, provide ongoing visible and useful feedback to engage staff effectively. Mental health nursing. Brief about psychiatric nursing or mental health nursing is the appointed position of a nursing that has specialized in mental health and cares for people of all ages with mental illness or mental distress such as schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, psychosis, depression, dementia, and many more. Nurses in this area receive specific training in psychological therapies, building a therapeutic alliance, dealing with challenging behavior, and the administration of psychiatric medication. In most countries, a psychiatric nurse will have to have attained a bachelor degree in nursing to become a registered nurse RN and specialize in mental health. Meaning of mental health nursing. Psychiatric nursing or mental health nursing is this specialty of nursing that cares for people of all ages with mental illness or mental disorder. Define psychiatric nursing. Psychiatric nursing is the branch of nursing concerned with prevention, care and cure of mental disorders. It uses theories of human behavior as it is scientific framework and requires the use of the self as its art or expression in nursing practice. Nursing intervention. First, physical and biological intervention. 1. Psychiatric medication. 2. Electroconvulsive therapy. 3. Physical care. Second, psychological intervention. 3. Spiritual interventions. 4. Therapeutic relationship. 5. Therapeutic relationship aspects of psychiatric nursing, including 1. Understanding and empathy. 2. Individuality. 3. Providing support. 4. Being there and being available. 5. Being genuine. 6. Promoting equality. 7. Demonstrating respect. 8. Demonstrating clear boundaries. 9. Demonstrating self-awareness. Scope of mental health nursing. 1. Primary mental health nursing. 2. Collaborative mental health practice. 3. Nursing psychotherapy. 4. Mental health nursing education. 5. Psychosocial rehabilitation nursing. 6. Child mental health nursing. 7. Gerontological and geriatric nursing. 8. De-addiction nursing. 9. Neuropsychiatric nursing. 10. Community nursing. Role of mental health nursing. First, patient care. Second, education and supervision. 3. Interpersonal relation and communication. 4. Ward management. Detail going on. First, patient care, including carry out physician order, assessment, developing and implementing nursing care plan, counseling, intervention, helping develop attitude, feeling and behavior. Encourage alternative behavior and sense of control, provide emotional support, intellectual support and psychological support, function at narrator and provider, developing independence, directly provide promotion and comfort, client welfare. assessing, talking and discussion, building relationship, encourage trust and interpreting need, administration of medication, responding to distrusted patient in non-threatening manner, help and manage the emotion and behavior, participating with healthcare groups, encourage patient with part of trauma, develop patient social skill, maintaining records, care plan risk assessment, encourage legal requirement, promote recovery, nursing intervention, consultation services. Guiding, encourage share their views, mental status examination, assess the multiple disciplinary team. Second, education and supervision, detail going on. Health education about stress, encourage client for compliance with therapy, enhance knowledge for utilizing resources, staff, recording policy, procedures, supervise health education, teaching public, family and patient, assist the student, help the student, promote healthier lifestyle, interpret information, teaching and supervising nursing student, demonstrate nursing procedure, supervise junior, participating with educational team, plans staff development program. 3. Interpersonal relationship and communication, detail going on. Develop good relationship, encourage participation, socialize the patient, coordinate and communicate the health team, relation with other health professionals, identify patient, liaison and mediator. 4. Ward management, detail going on. Make decision, coordination, allocation of resources, evaluation, management plan, give direction, develop staff, monitoring. Administration, evaluating services, cleanliness ward, maintain record, evaluate the care, shift duties, report observation. Thank you. Have a nice day.